Okay, now that your Xero account is ready, let's take a quick tour of the Xero dashboard. This is the first screen you usually see after logging in to Xero. The dashboard gives you a simple overview of your business, so you don't need to open 10 different reports just to understand what is happening. At the top, you can see the main menu. Here you'll find sections like Home, Sales, Purchases, Reporting, Accounting, Contacts, and Projects. These menus help you move around Xero and manage different parts of your business. Now let's look at the dashboard cards. The bank account card shows your business bank balance and your balance inside Xero. If there is a difference, Xero shows you that too. You can also see options like Reconcile Items or Import Bank Statement. This is useful because bank reconciliation is one of the most important parts of bookkeeping. Next, you'll see the Invoices section. This shows how much money customers owe you. You can quickly check unpaid invoices, overdue invoices, and amounts waiting for payment. If you want to create a new invoice, you can also do that directly from here. On the other side, you'll see the Bills section. This shows the bills your business needs to pay. You can see upcoming bills, overdue bills, and payment amounts in one place. This helps you manage cash flow and avoid missing supplier payments. There is also a task section. Here, Xero shows important actions, like items to reconcile, overdue invoices, or bills that need attention. Think of this section like a small reminder board for your bookkeeping work. You may also see recent invoice payments. This helps you check which customers recently paid and how much money came in. Below that, Xero shows cash in and cash out. This gives you a quick idea of how much money is coming into the business and how much is going out. You can also see profit and loss information from the dashboard. This helps you understand whether your business is making profit or losing money during a selected period. Another useful section is expenses to review. If someone submits an expense, or if there are expense claims waiting for review, you can see them here. So, in simple words, the Xero dashboard is like your business finance control center. You can check bank balances, unpaid invoices, bills, cash flow, profit, and important tasks from one screen. For beginners, don't worry if everything looks new at first. As you use Xero more, this dashboard will become the place you check every day to understand your business quickly. In the next part, we'll go deeper into Xero organization setting and learn more on Xero setting. Thank you.